Hello Lakeview, here is your Lakeview Chicago market report for townhomes in May of 2024. The real estate market for townhomes in Lakeview shows some impressive trends. Hi, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I have been a proud resident of Lakeview since 1987. I've had the pleasure of watching our beautiful neighborhood grow and flourish over the years. Let's dive into the numbers. The median sales price for townhomes in May of 2024 was $777,000. That is a significant increase of 28% from last month in April from $603,000, and even more impressive of 31% rise of May from last year. This marks the highest median sales price we've seen in May over the past 3 years. The average sales price also saw a notable uptick, reaching $709,000 in May of 2024. This up 17% up from last month and 16% higher of May of last year. While the average price is mid-range compared to previous years, it still reflects a healthy market. Our sales price to list ratio was 102%, which is up 100% in April of 2024. This ratio indicates that homes are selling above listing ask price and great for sellers. In terms of value, 7 properties were sold in May. While this was a 250 increase, only 2 were sold in April, and it was a decrease from 13 properties sold last year in May. This shows a slower market in the terms of the number of transactions. The average days on the market for May was 13 days, which is up from just 4 days in April, but slightly lower than the 14 days in May of last year. Indicates that this is a strong buyer interest and a competitive market, so that's a good news. The sales price per square footage remains stable at $322 per square foot, consistent with both the previous month and May of last year. There were 5 properties for sale in May of 2024, up 66% from 3 in April and 25% higher of May last year. So the level of inventory provides a balanced market for both buyers and sellers. New listings in May tolerate 8, which is 14% increase from 7 of last month and a decrease 11 from May of last year. So this lower number of new listings could suggest a tightened market. And if you have any questions or would like a personalized valuation of your home, please feel free to reach out to me. Call or text me at 773-550-4846. Whether you're considering selling now or in the future, I'm here to help you navigate the Lakeview real estate market. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos on Lakeview Chicago trends, go to my YouTube channel, Living in Chicago and Chicago Suburbs. My name is Hugo, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview. If you're thinking of selling, please keep us in mind. We look forward to assisting you and helping you achieve the best possible outcome in this exciting market.